There's a good chance you've heard a lot of hype about how you should be eating more protein. Eat protein to burn fat. In reality, most men are getting plenty of protein. But there are actually several nutrients men aren't eating enough of. Here are 7 best healthy foods men should eat every day. Number 1. Steak. Men love steak, and steak loves men. Chowing down on a prime cut of sirloin isn't just pleasing for your belly, it can be pretty good for your body. Not only is it extremely high in protein, it's also loaded with iron and B group vitamins, which means it can help fight fatigue when you're at work or in the gym. That's not all, because steak contains a good dose of healthy fats. It can actually lower your levels of bad LDL cholesterol. Number 2. Berries. It's no secret that one of the biggest killers of men is heart disease. In Australia, cardiovascular disease affects almost 4.2 million people, a large majority of who are men. Thankfully, it's fairly preventable if you exercise often and eat sensibly, including munching down on a handful of berries every day. A study in 2010 found that regular consumption of berries could significantly lower your risk of a heart attack, thanks to their extremely high content of antioxidants. Number 3. Bananas. If you work out regularly, bananas should be a staple in your diet. When you sweat heavily, your body flushes out several salts and minerals, primarily sodium and potassium. Because bananas are an incredible source of potassium, they help to replenish your body after heavy exercise. But that's not all, because bananas are loaded with soluble fiber, they'll make sure it doesn't require a half hour for you to slack off in the toilets. Number 4. Coffee. So it isn't technically a food, but your morning espresso can be a boon for your mental and physical health. Drinking just a single cup a day has been associated with living longer, less risk of Alzheimer's, and even less risk of cardiovascular disease. It's also the world's most widely and safest used form of pre-workout. Just keep a cap on your consumption, however, because too much coffee can seriously ruin your sleep. Number 5. Eggs. Ditch the sugary cereals, because the best muscle-building breakfast you can have involves the humble old egg. Eggs aren't just high in protein, they're also a really powerful source of lutein, which has been demonstrated to help boost your brain power. But it isn't all about brain gains, because consuming just a single egg a day has been shown to drastically reduce your chance of having a stroke later in life. Number 6. Broccoli. It's staple in any bodybuilder's lunch, but broccoli can do a lot more than simply help your muscles to grow. A study in 2008 found that men who regularly consumed broccoli had a much lower risk of prostate cancer, which currently affects 1 in 5 men over the age of 85. Even scarily, more than 18,000 new cases of prostate cancer are diagnosed each year, which means you're best off eating your broccoli as early in life as you can. Number 7. Olive oil. Forget what you've heard about fat in your diet turning into fat on your belly. It's untrue. Yes, fat is the most calorie-heavy nutrient there is, but filling your diet with healthy sources like avocado, olive oil and salmon can drastically transform your body. That's because fat is extremely filling and has also been shown to help lower your cholesterol and ease the stress on your heart. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.